With view of SA2 exam of 9th class, one more important question is how to find mean. Mean generally is asked in the SA2 exam. When we talk about mean, it's mean the what is the average value of the data. Now, there are two methods of finding the mean, and that methods depend on the data. First method is when data is given in a single line or in a one table like this. When data is given in a single line like this here 2 3 4 5 0 1 3 3 4 3, this data is given in single line. And other method is when data is large and that data is given in the form of frequency distribution table like this, table. This is frequency distribution table. Here this is the salary, and these are the workers of number of workers. So actually this salary 3,000 is of 16 workers. So this type of table is given. We will learn how to find mean in both the table one by one. First we are discussing table number 1, this A table 2 3 4 5 0 1 3 3 4 3. How to find mean of this table. Here table is given like this 2 3 4 5 0 1 3 3 4 3. Now we will find out the mean. Formula of finding the mean is sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. Here in this table these are observations. So here sum of all the observation, in place of this we will write the total of these observations, and total number of observation means we will count them, that how many observations are here. Look here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So total observations are 10. So we have written in this form, we have written this observation as per the formula. Total of observations, plus sign is there between all the observations, and number of observations. Total observation were 10. When we counted these observations, so they were 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. When we add these observations, so we got 28, and all the observations were 10. So 28 divided by 10, we got 2.8. So this is the mean of this particular data. So this is the method of finding the mean. You should remember this formula, sum of all the observations and divided by total number of observations. So if a single table is given, use this formula and find the mean. It's very easy. So the mean is 2.8. Thank you. Now we will discuss the other part of finding mean, when frequency distribution table is given. Here frequency distribution table is given and question is written, find the mean salary of 60 workers of a factory from the following table. So in this type of questions, this is salary is given and this is frequency is given. It means 3000 salary is of 16 workers. In this case, when we want to find out the mean, we take this part as x and this part as f small. Actually, these are frequency. We have taken this x and this f. Now we will generate one more table here, fx. Table was given like this. So we take this part as x, this part is f as f, and we generate one more table like this, that is fx. Fx, it means multiply of x and f. X and f, we got this 48,000. 3000 multiplied by 16, we got 48,000. 3000 multiplied by 16, we got 48,000. In the similar way, when we multiply every observation with the frequency, so we get this type of new observation. Here 4000 multiplied by 12, so we got again 48,000. In the same way, you can get this fx table. So this new part we generate, and at last we make the total of all the data what we get after multiplying x with f. So here we got the total 3,05,000, and this the total of frequency was. After finding the total, now we will write the formula of finding out the mean. This is the formula, x bar is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f. This sigma show the total. Its mean this 3,05,000 is the total of fx as we have discussed and we have solved before, and this 60 is the total of f. So when we put these value in this formula, so 3,05,000 we are placing in place of sigma fx divided by 60, because this 60 is the total of f. This total of f, this is already given, and when we solve this, so we will get this 0 will be cancelled with this 0, so we will get this, and again when we divide this 30500 by 6, so we will get 5083.33. so this is the value of mean. So these here in this question sigma fx was 3,05,000 and sigma f was 60. So these are two methods of finding out the mean. My advice to you all this, that practice very much, at least the 3 or 4 examples are given based on finding the mean in your book, and all you have to solve in the same manner. So solve and learn with your SA2 exam. In next video we will learn how to find mode